One of the most annoying things about long distance road trips is not knowing where to get fuel and constantly having to stop. Which is why we ended up installing a 47-gallon aftermarket fuel tank. We picked up this SMB fuel tank from VanGo when we were in Jacksonville, Florida. We ended up going with this because it ends up holding almost twice as much fuel as the stock fuel tank, which is 24 gallons. It gets secured where the previous factory fuel tank goes. One thing that's nice about it is that you can drive almost 1,000 miles without having to refill your fuel tank, which is huge when you are going on those 10-hour plus however long you're going on your cross-country road trip. First, we removed the 4 bolts holding on the plastic filler door. We found it was easier to take off if you close the door partially. Hooray! This final screw detaches the filler from the body. Then we removed the styrofoam and disconnected the ground spade connector. After removing the zip ties, Billy is disconnecting the 3 fuel lines and the electrical connector.
Yeah.
I'm just here to hold the camera.
Whoops.
After these 3 straps holding the tank are removed, we're ready to lower it.
Come on down. Yeah.
Going?
Yeah. Perfect. Alright, now you can pull the jack out.
This fuel pump assembly is getting removed from the old tank, and we're going to be using it on our new tank. We're putting the new O-ring down first and then moving it over. A lot of money you're spilling. Be sure all tabs on the ring lock under the tank tabs or it will not seal. We're removing this to take a peek inside to make sure there is separation between the float and the venturi tube. Next, we are rerouting the main vent and installing on the new tank. Okay.
It goes in that way now. Flow that way, yep.
Into the tank, arrow pointing in to the tank. This part we messed up at first. Install the included hose onto this T connector. Yeah, get it.
Yeah.
Now Billy is installing all our plus nuts.
Right here. Both fuel lines are connected. Power connected. Ugh. Tastes like diesel. It'd be a lot easier if we had a car lift. We poor broke.
We bought a whole van. That's why we're poor.
Yeah, if we were rich, we'd pay somebody else to build it.
You think so?
Probably.
How would you rate the installation of a larger gas tank?
With two men installing it,
What does that mean?
it's pretty easy. With a man and a woman,
I'm not putting this on YouTube.
it's a lot more difficult with the man. It's not bad.
No?
No.
Are you happy about it?
I'll be happy when there's no leaks.
That just went in the wrong end. Wow, and it was easy to get out.
That was nice.
Billy was so worried it was stuck in there.